When traveling to a destination you have never been to, it is wise and safe to say that you need to do some research about the place prior to arriving, such as the weather or season, currency, visa, and even travel arrangements. Dubai is one of the most rapidly growing cities in the world. Dubai is home to the world's tallest skyscrapers, largest fountain shows, and largest shopping malls. Over 16 million people visit the city every year because of its innovative infrastructure and warm hospitality. Sit back and relax as we explore things you need to know before visiting Dubai. But before we get started, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications. Dubai is an ambitious metropolis that emerged from the Arabian desert and is sleek, modern, and full of ambition. A wonderful destination in the United Arab Emirates that consists of giant malls, some of the tallest skyscrapers, and the largest artificial island in the world, Palm Island. The Dubai skyline is full of unique skyscrapers designed by some of the most renowned architects in the world. A drive down one of UAE's main roads, Sheikh Zayed Road, will leave anyone in awe. Anything Dubai does, it does in style, so even the metro stations are architectural wonders. Reaching Dubai. Dubai International Airport, DXB, is the city's main airport and you'll be arriving here. Dubai's airport is located within the city and has excellent public transportation links throughout the city. Dubai can also be reached via the Emirates Express train, which runs between Emirate countries. Visa. Visa on arrival is available in Dubai. Simply proceed to immigration to obtain a 30-day free visa. For a visa on arrival, you must have a passport valid at least 6 months before entry and one blank visa page. The requirements of obtaining a Dubai visa may vary depending on your nationality. Currency. The name of the currency in Dubai and the United Arab Emirates is the dirham. Dirhams are the only currency accepted in Dubai for goods and services. At retailers, however, international credit and debit cards like Visa and MasterCard are widely accepted. Best time to visit. The weather in Dubai will always be warm, no matter when you go. Tourists flock to Dubai during the winter, when temperatures are at their lowest. So it's the most popular season to visit. Beachgoers who prefer clear skies and picture-perfect weather should consider visiting in winter. Culture and cuisine. Islamic culture and traditional Arab culture dominate the UAE's culture. There is a strong influence of Islamic and Arab culture on its architecture, attire, cuisine, and lifestyle. Food in Dubai is inspired by Asian and Middle Eastern dishes. Restaurants in Dubai serve food from all over the world, making it a global city. There is no way you can leave the city without trying some of the most popular traditional dishes, like al-machbous and CUISINE. In Dubai, it's generally a smart idea to wear clothing that covers your shoulders and knees when going out in public. For both men and women, it is recommended to avoid wearing clothing that is too tight or too revealing. Dubai is often perceived as a playground for the wealthy. However, that is not necessarily true. Using smart planning, you can have a pleasant stay in the city at an affordable rate. We found the average cost of a week in Dubai for 2 people is around $4,167. Things to do. Despite the city's evolution from Bedouin villages, the desert remains a sight to behold. Dubai offers a variety of desert safari experiences, including camel rides, dune bashing, and authentic Arabic barbecue. Mall of the Emirates. Mall of the Emirates, equipped with almost everything under one roof, be it the cuisine from all around the world, the numerous brands to shop, or the exclusive Dubai ski park includes a fantastic ski setup and a penguin enclosure. Dubai Creek. The creek is natural seawater which cuts through the center of the city. Tourists could take a boat or abra to view the port on the other side. There is a breathtaking view of the Dubai skyline from Dubai Creek Harbor. Dubai Aquarium. Dubai Aquarium is one of the popular tourist attractions in Dubai, which has varied activities, including an underwater zoo, glass-bottom boat tours, caged snorkeling, and shark diving. Enjoy this multicultural experience at this most popular Dubai tourist location. Palm Jumeirah. The Palm Jumeirah complex is reclaimed land formed into artificial archipelagos designed to resemble an enormous palm tree stretching out into the ocean. A decade old, the Palm Jumeirah offers beaches, hotels, and luxury restaurants. Taking a helicopter tour over the Palm Jumeirah is even more exciting than visiting it. You can enjoy a wide variety of activities in Dubai. Take the world's fastest elevator as you ascend Dubai's iconic Burj Khalifa skyscraper. Enjoy thrills and spills at Dubai's Aquaventure Park and the largest water park in the Middle East. Drive an ATV over sand dunes before enjoying live entertainment and dinner at a Bedouin camp. Go on a desert safari in Dubai with barbecue dinner. Experience world's largest choreographed fountain displays. Enjoy a balloon adventure in Dubai with Falcons. Enjoy a dinner cruise along Dubai Marina, Anvil and JBR on a plush, glass-enclosed boat. Experience the red carpet treatment from the moment you step on board with a complimentary drink to the minute you disembark at Dubai Marina. Expats make up approximately 85% of Dubai's population. This brings a level of cultural interaction that is rarely seen anywhere else in the world. Traveling to Dubai is one of the greatest anthropological experiences one can have, as it allows visitors to travel the entire world from one place. Wishing you a wonderful, fulfilling and safe journey. We hope this video will help you plan your dream Dubai vacation. For more fascinating destinations, stay tuned and subscribe to our channel.